Hey my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to this week's video. So today's video we're going to go over a possible trading setup for the week ahead. Before we actually get into the video, if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now. So this week's trading opportunity is on the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, and I'm looking for a possible selling opportunity on this pair, and we're going to have a look at it now. So the first thing I want to look at, as always, is the higher time frames, and you can see where we are now in the chart. It is was a strong support before, and is now looking like it's turned into a resistance point. The market's rallied up, it's moving sideways. We are getting what I like to see in a trend continuation of this move down. We're getting hitting divergence signals on the weekly chart. So this is indicating that a possible move down could be very happening very soon. Sorry. So the area we're at now, we also see we're at this kind of weekly zone here at it. What I want to do now is zoom into the lower time frames, and you can see what's happening here after this initial rally up at this resistance line. You can see it's getting a few touches at this weekly area. The market has started to turn into a period of distribution. See, moving sideways after a rally in price, and what I'm looking to do here is play a selling opportunity at the top of this distribution period. So I'll play it down to here. So until this breaks, no clear, well, looking at the higher time frames, we are the resistance, so I'm only really looking to want to sell this. Okay, and I'm looking to sell it up around here, and we'll just zoom in. Very basic trade. Just around these highs here, you can see where it's been hitting before, and very basic trade going off the weekly resistance area. I'm looking to sell the Australian dollar Swiss franc at, and it's very simple, nothing really too much about it this week. I'm looking to sell AUDCF at 0.666. Good number coming to Halloween. Stop loss is going to be, we'll do 0.677, and take profit is going to be around about 0.64, around about the bottom of that range, 0.64. Okay, so that's the setup. What you can do is look for a MACD divergence signal happening up around this area on the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart. Okay, just zoom out up towards this level up here. MACD divergence signals, classic or hidden. This classic one is the perfect one. You can see from the last move down, it happened up at that level. Same thing happens again around that entry price, or inside this zone here will be a good selling opportunity. As always, trade at your own risk. It's a very nice setup. Again, going off the higher time frame charts, just selling at the top of this distribution period, move to the downside. Okay, so we're at resistance on the weekly here. It's been strong before. Until this level, price breaks up through this, then it's invalidated. But at the minute, it's a valid signal, and it's a trade I'll be looking to take in the week ahead. So as always, hope this video helps. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com. If you want to access our full list of 20 possible setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below and get started. You also get access to the new daily signal room when you join us today. Okay, so that's it. I shall see you on the next video. Have a great week. Will over to xaus.com.